Buenos dias, Sawarei, and welcome to YouthCOP Cymru.
We have a real opportunity today to come together to make a difference and for you young people to have your voices heard by decision makers.
Para nosotros, para Nación One Piece, tamaño de Gales es como un hermano, Nación One Piece y Gales, porque ha escuchado este trabajo ancestral que promovemos dentro de nuestro territorio como pueblos originarios.
We are in the forest.
They were talking about how if it carries on the way we're going, the Amazon rainforest is going to be pretty much gone of all wildlife and all trees.
Yeah, my favourite speaker was the One Piece because we know what goes on in this country. He was telling us his story and how climate change is affecting him in like a different country.
Hwna rwy'n dysgu sut ti'n nofio a dringo coed a nhw methu dim mwy pan mae'r coed yn mynd a mae'r dŵr di llygru gormod i nofio.
También cuando visitamos el colegio por sur de Gales, me gustó mucho porque hay un comité de alumnos que están fiscalizando de dónde vienen productos, si estos productos no han sido obtenidos vulnerando derechos de los pueblos indígenas como One Piece.
We were pleased to hear that items like corned beef that are linked to the destruction of the Amazon will soon be replaced with bees for this country.
Mae yn really bwysig bod ni yn defnyddio pethau yn bwyd ni sydd ddim ond yn iach i ni, ond iach i'r amgylchedd.
We're to go to the government and we're going to tell them to put high tariffs, high taxes and high fines for people that are using untraceable and unsustainable palm oil.
I want to live in a world that gets stronger and better all the time.
When young people stand up together and tell us this is what we want to see happening for the environment, well, it's very difficult for politicians like me to ignore that.
Your voices really matter.
What we do here in Wales matters, even to people far away from us.
You are powerful and be loud. Don't let people tell you to be quiet because together we can create a huge amount of change.